A satellite image captured earlier this year revealed the presence of several Russian-made MiG-29 jets at an airbase in Armenia. According to the Russian publication Avia.pro, a satellite image revealed the presence of 13 MiG-29 fighter jets that are believed to be part of the Russian Aerospace Forces. The Russian Aerospace Forces transferred at least 13 MiG-29 fighters to the territory of Armenia, as seen by satellite images of the Erebani military airbase, Avia.pro reported. We are talking specifically about Russian combat aircraft, since officially the MiG-29 fighters are not in service with the Armenian Air Force, they continued. As shown in the satellite image provided by Avia.pro, there are not only 13 MiG-29 jets, but also several helicopters, which the publication says likely belong to the Russian Air Force. It should be noted that while Russia and Armenia currently have a defense pact, Moscow has refrained from getting militarily involved in the Karabakh conflict due to their relations with Azerbaijan.